Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Fortnite, sign into your account and open the main menu. Once done, press the settings gear so you're in the options screen fast. Make sure you pick the input or controller tab that matches your platform, PC, console, or mobile, because editing controls live there. This step puts you directly where the edit behavior lives. Do not change graphics or audio now. Next, locate the editing controls or Builder Pro section to reach the edit toggles. Now you're inside the editing controls. Scroll to the auto-confirm edits or similar setting. Flip that toggle on so edits register automatically when you complete an edit action. While you're here, tweak edit sensitivity and any confirm on release timing so the auto-confirm feels natural for your playstyle. Save or apply settings before leaving. Doing this reduces extra button presses and speeds up your build fights, which is why players enable it. It trades finish by testing in creative or playground. Perform several edits quickly to confirm auto-confirm works consistently. If you notice missed confirmations, go back to settings, switch the input profile to the correct device, and toggle auto-confirm off then on to reset it. Make sure no conflicting keybinds or controller mappings are stealing the edit input. If problems persist, restore the editing controls to default and reapply your preferences. That often clears hidden conflicts without affecting your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.